Welcome to eSpective, a data management solution for a modern-day workflow. All of your collected data can be stored in an easy-to-access cloud-based portal. With built-in reporting tools and job progression, keeping your team on the same page and staying organized is easier than ever. eSpective accepts all common file formats used by professionals. Utilize our point cloud and our 3D modeling viewer to help keep track of your work. eSpective has built-in tools for managing your job site. Using our overlay feature, you can view geo-referenced blueprints paired with the latest aerial images of your job site. Analytic tools will allow you to measure length, area, volume, and terrain profile. The ortho comparison tool allows you to easily slide through your job's progression from start to finish. Reach out to the team at Quadricopter so we can learn more about your application and what eSpective can do for you.